How do I redeem an Uber Eats gift card?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to redeem your Uber Eats gift card. If you have recently received one of these gift cards and are wondering how to use it, don't worry, we're going to guide you through the process step by step. It's easier than you think.
What do you need?
First things first, you will need an Uber Eats gift card or digital gift card code, an Uber Eats account. If you don't already have one, you can create one quickly and easily by downloading the app from your device's app store, the Uber Eats app on your device, whether that's a smartphone, tablet, or even on your computer.
Where do I find my gift card code?
Your Uber Eats gift card code is a 16-digit code that is either printed on the back of the card, you might need to scratch off the silver foil to reveal it, or emailed to you if you received a digital gift card. This code is what you will use to redeem your gift card in the Uber Eats app.
How do I redeem my Uber Eats gift card?
Here is a step-by-step guide on how to redeem your Uber Eats gift card. 1. Open the Uber Eats app on your device. 2. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the main screen. 3. Then tap on Wallet in the menu that appears. 4. Tap on Add Payment Method. 5. Tap on Gift Card. 6. Enter your gift card code in the field provided. 7. Finally, tap on Add to add the gift card balance to your Uber Eats account. There you have it. You've successfully redeemed your Uber Eats gift card. Now, you can use the credit in your account to order delicious meals from your favorite local restaurants. Enjoy your meal, and remember to check back for more helpful tutorials like this. Happy eating!